Good afternoon, everybody. We are here on this beautiful sunny day in Somerset, and we are testing out Tim's latest bit of kit. Tim, what is your latest bit of kit?
This is the Insta360 1 360.
And we have our good friends Phil.
Hello!
And Ed.
Hello.
Now, hopefully, Tim's going to work some magic on this video, and you will see the guys as they speak, and me, and we'll see Tim. But we're actually filming in 360 degrees, so it's filming all of us simultaneously. But yeah, we just wanted to check it out and kind of see what it can do, really. And we're going to head back to the house in a minute, and Tim's going to work his magic on the editing. So join us a bit later. Bye!
Bye!
And let's go. And stop. Okay. All right, Tim. Excellent.
Yeah.